In an exclusive interview with NNI's BJP MP, Meenakshi Lekhi said Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the US is important for the global economy. Prime Minister Modi will embark on a 5-day trip to US this week, where he is scheduled to address to the UN General Assembly and also hold a summit meeting with US President Barack Obama.
No, it is important not just for India, it is important for the global economy to do well and democratic global powers to come together on certain issues. And it is needs to be looked at in that sense that two major democratic powers of the world are coming together on certain issues. So one needs to look at it positively. I congratulate my scientists and my countrymen that we have successfully completed Mars mission. In Hindi, if I may say, मंगल पर सब मंगल है और धरती पर भी सब मंगल है. ये जो संदेश है हमारे वैज्ञानिकों ने पूरे भारतवर्ष को दिया है. So our scientists have done a great job, and India is a land of science and technology. And through the centuries, we have respected this scientific improvement, and everything existed around science, from deep ecology to Antriksh Vigyan. So, hats off to all the scientists who have successfully made us proud. And also one family which is constantly striking the names are striking in my head. One is Mr. Nambi Narayan of the PSLV fame, and his son-in-law Dr. Arunan is the project director for this particular project. So I think a sense of gratitude towards this family. I think UPA probably wouldn't even would do well to know how they treated Mr. Nambi Narayan, and the answer lies in that. But today is not the moment to do politics. I only want to celebrate the intellectual input and the scientific input which this country has produced.
Powered by NNIS.